Hi, this is Don Deems, the Dentist Coach. Thanks for stopping by for the Dentist Coach Insider Strategies. I hope you'll find today's insider strategy useful in your life and practice. My best wishes to you. Hi, this is Dr. Don Deems, the Dentist Coach, with another edition of the Dentist Coach Insider Strategies. So, are you good at pool? You know, I'm pretty fair, but some days I act like I've never played pool, and then some days I'm just sharp as a tack. And so what's the difference? The difference is my focus. The same thing has been true in over 30 years of private practice, which has been, where's my focus? The years that I was really focused, I did really well. The years I wasn't very focused throughout most of the year, I didn't do quite as well. So it wasn't so much about the patients and other things, it was really about me. Where was my head? What was I thinking about? Was I organized? Did I have a goal, etc.? So how do we maintain focus for long periods of time, which we dentists have to do for our entire career? I mean, after all, without us, there is no practice, right? So what do? Well, I've got a couple things that I want to suggest to you in order to maintain your focus. The first thing is to remember that you can delegate things. You don't have to do everything yourself. When there is a list of things to do, decide what are the things that really truly need my attention and what are things that somebody else can do. The second thing to remember is that you can't be everything to everyone. I mean, if you've been in practice, for at least a couple years, you know that it's impossible to please everybody all the time. You can do your very best, but it's just not going to happen. So don't try to do that. The next thing that I would say to maintain focus and avoid being derailed is to make sure that you're not in any sort of toxic relationships. Those kinds of relationships are relationships which drain you of your energy and make you just feel really bad. So if you're in toxic relationships, if you have toxic relationships with, say, a patient or even a staff member, make sure that you figure a way out to end that and get rid of that load that's on you. Now, another item that I would say is always have a plan. We dentists are good at developing goals, right? And so goals are good, right? And we should have a plan. As the old saying goes, if you don't know where you're going, you're not going to get there. So maintaining focus means also having a plan. Another part is avoid isolating yourself. We dentists typically are working by ourselves most of the time. And in doing so, we don't really have a chance to talk things over with other people. This is very problematic because we get a lot of the self-talk going on, and that's not necessarily conducive to maintaining our focus. The last thing I would say, and this is something that I have found very helpful for me personally too, is work with somebody to help you keep you on your best game. When I was young in practice many years ago, there wasn't such a thing as coaching. I wish there had been, because I certainly would have worked with a coach to help me keep me on my A game. So I am here to help you if you would like to do that. More than happy to help. So as you are coming into this new year, ask yourself, where's my focus? What is it that I can do to maintain my focus for long term? And I hope that you have a great new year. Take care. Thanks for watching today's Insider Strategy. I hope to see you around for future videos. If you have a comment, would like to ask me a question, or have a topic you'd like to see me talk about, please leave your comments in the box below. Thanks again, and my best wishes to you.